ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. നിങ്ങൾ ഇതുവരെയും ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആൻഡ് പ്രസ് ദി ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ. നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡയറി ടെക്നോളജിയിൽ നിന്നും 25 ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് പോകാം. As it comes from a cow, the solid portion of milk contains approximately 3.7% fat and -% solid not fat. Options 3%, 6%, 9%, 12%. Answer is 9%. The yogurt is made from Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus thermophilus, S. cremoris, mixed culture of A and B. Answer, mixed culture of A and B, that is Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Cheese cancer of Swiss and similar cheese is caused by Oospora crustacea, Oospora caseovorans, Oospora orienticum, none of these. Answer, Oospora caseovorans. Bulgarian buttermilk is made with the help of Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus lactis, Streptococcus thermophilus, S. cremoris. Answer, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Ropin is caused by Enterobacter, usually is worse at the middle of the milk, worse at the bottom of the milk, worse near the top of the milk, all of these. Answer, worse near the top of the milk. A brown color in milk may result from Pseudomonas putrefaciens, the enzymatic oxidation of tyrosine by Pseudomonas fluorescens, both A and B, S. marcescens. Answer, both A and B, that is Pseudomonas putrefaciens and the enzymatic oxidation of tyrosine by Pseudomonas fluorescens. Which of the following species of Clostridium is responsible for formation of dark green to black color in cheese? Option, Clostridium tyrobutyricum, Clostridium sporogene, Clostridium herbarum, none of these. Answer, Clostridium herbarum. Certain strains of Streptococcus lactis multigenes may produce bitter flavor, acid flavor, burnt or caramel flavor, none of this. Answer, burnt or caramel flavor. Surface taint in butter which is blamed on Pseudomonas putrefaciens is also called as rabbito, putridity, both A and B, none of this. Answer, both A and B, that is rabbito and putridity. Cheese with a too low an acidity because of the addition of cream or the failure of the starter often is made gelatinous or slimy by Pseudomonas, Pseudomonas fragi, alkali genes, metal caligens, all of these. Answer, all of these. Pseudomonas cincinnati produces A. Option, bluish grey to brownish color in milk in its pure form, brownish color to bluish grey in milk in its pure form, grey to brownish color in milk, yellow color in milk. Answer, bluish grey to brownish color in milk in its pure form. Pseudomonas nigrifaciens in mildly salted butter may cause black smudge, greenish areas, pink color, none of these. Answer, black smudge. Esters like flavors in butter are resulted from the action of Pseudomonas mephitica, Aeromonas hydrophila, Pseudomonas fragi, Pseudomonas cinchantha. Answer, Pseudomonas fragi. An alkaline reaction in milk is caused by the alkali formers bacteria as Pseudomonas fluorescens, alkali genes viscolactis, both A and B, none of these. Answer, both A and B. Bacterial ropinus in milk is caused by slimy capsular material from the cells, usually gums or mucins, slimy capsular material from the cells, usually proteins, slimy capsular material from the cells, usually lipids, all of the above. Answer, slimy capsular material from the cells, usually gums or mucins. Fishiness in butter is caused by Aeromonas hydrophila, Pseudomonas cinchantha, Pseudomonas cincinnati, none of these. Answer, Aeromonas hydrophila. The chief type of spoilage in sweetened condensed milk may be gas formation by sucrose fermenting yeast, thickening caused by micrococci, mold colonies growing on the surface, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Mammary gland's complete unit of milk synthesis is called lumen, micelles, alveolus, secretory cells. Answer: alveolus. Most variable constituent of milk is proteins, fat, lactose, minerals. Answer is fat. Which of the following has largest particle size in milk? Lactose, casein micelles, fat globule, none of these. Answer: fat globule. What is the average boiling point of milk? Options: 100 to 101 degrees Celsius, 105 to 110 degrees Celsius, 115 to 117 degrees Celsius, 102 to 105 degrees Celsius. Answer: 100 to 101 degrees Celsius. What is the freezing point of milk? 0 degrees Celsius, minus 0.55 degrees Celsius, minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 1.55 degrees Celsius. Answer: minus 0.55 degrees Celsius. Tests for proper pasteurization are based on the activity of which enzyme? Options: lactase, diastase, phosphatase, catalase. Answer: phosphatase. Yellow color of milk fat is due to the presence of vitamin D, carotenoids, calcium, folic acid. Answer: carotenoids. Lactose reduces copper salt to cupric oxide, cuprous oxide, copper oxide, none of the above. Answer: cuprous oxide.